says kidney-friendly food has to be boring. Today I'm making a spicy, cheesy cauliflower dip that's delicious and creamy and kidney-friendly. Trust me, it's so good you're not even gonna miss any of the high sodium dips that you may have eaten before. But before we get started, why did the carrot break up with the celery? Stick around and I'll tell you at the end. Hi, this is Mathia Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're gonna make spicy buffalo cauliflower dip, and we're gonna make it low sodium. So here's what you're gonna need. We have celery sticks and carrot sticks for afterwards when we're eating the dip. And then we have vinegar, cauliflower, honey, mozzarella cheese, black pepper, a little bit of oil, cream cheese, and our spices, a little bit of garlic, a little bit of roasted red pepper flakes, and some Frank's Red Hot seasoning. You can buy that. I buy it at Walmart. Just use a little bit. Let's talk about why this dip is great for kidney health. Cauliflower is low in potassium, but rich in fiber and antioxidants, making it a perfect substitution for those high phosphorus, high potassium vegetables that you might need to limit. And with us using the part skim mozzarella and the low fat cream cheese, we're keeping it healthier than a regular dip. So you can serve this to everybody. Everybody's gonna love it, but it's great for kidney health. First, we're gonna roast the cauliflower so it's nice and soft, and then we're gonna stick it in the blender. So I like to either put it on the pan first and then drizzle it with oil. I also like to put it in a bowl, and that way it gets good coverage for all the seasonings, which is really just black pepper. So I'm just gonna stir this around a little bit so we get black pepper and a little bit of oil on everything. Then we're gonna put it on our pan and put it in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 minutes so that we'll get started on the rest of the recipe while this is baking. Okay, let's start with getting the spices in the blender. We got our little bit of honey for some sweetness, not too much. And then we have our vinegar. And then we're gonna put in our cauliflower as soon as it's done roasting, and then we'll blend it all up and make our delicious dip. Through the magic of video, our roasted cauliflower is done, and we're just going to put that into the blender. Softened up some. We are also going to put in our reduced fat cream cheese. And we're going to put in our mozzarella cheese. Put the lid on. Scrape down the sides so we make sure it gets all blended. It's looking pretty good. This makes a perfect dip for like a party or anything that you might be going to. You just need to double it so there's enough for everybody. I'm just gonna scrape it into the bowl. I've spread it out evenly, and I'm gonna put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes at about 350 degrees. All right, there you have it, our delicious spicy buffalo dip. Instead of chips that are kind of salty, we're gonna use celery sticks and carrot sticks. This is a serving for two, so you get half. That looks so good, you have to try this. Look at that steam coming off of that. All right, I'm gonna give it a taste. That Frank's Red Hot really gives it some kick. It doesn't taste like cauliflower. It's really good and creamy. You're gonna love this. Now remember that joke from the beginning? Why did the carrot break up with the celery? Because it felt too stalked. Join us next time. Hit like, hit subscribe, and we'll bring you more kidney-friendly recipes.